And then yun, focus mo.
Yun na ba?
Show mo yung comment. Ayun. Sa left ko.
Yun na ba? Now we're going
Si Alpha na. Pakita mo. There's a camel.
camel there, and we're going to Ferrari World, I guess. We're not gonna go in, I hope.
Show mo yung Ferrari.
Yeah, I'm showing it now. Should we go buy?
Hindi yata tayo pwedeng pumasok, Daddy.
Yeah, I know.
Ganyan lang.
Store only. Should we even buy?
Pakita mo.
Where are we going? Mom, where are we going?
Daddy, show mo lang.
What? Oh my God.